Hello everyone, welcome back to Shulin Anubha Academy. I'm Anubha, a corporate trainer. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the string classes in Java. Again, the very important topic for the interviews as well as the questions which are coming in the exams. So guys, string classes are the built-in classes in Java which will be providing several methods to work with your strings, okay, that is available in java.lang package. String is the immutable. That means if you are giving any values to the strings, you cannot modify those strings. For example, if I am writing string s1 is equal to hello and I am trying to change, okay, I am trying to concatenate hello with the world. So in that case guys, in case if you are trying to print system.out.println, so guys, in this entire video I will be using sysout, okay, in place of your system.out.println statement, okay, the shortcut. So here if I'm going to print s1, what value it will be generating for me? It will be generating only hello, okay, it is not going to concatenate world with it, okay. So it shows that your string classes are immutable, you cannot change the values, okay. In case if you want to change the values of those strings, you need to create the objects, the new objects every time, okay. So here you need to create explicitly a new variable which will be holding the value of hello world, okay. For example, here if I'm trying to use this hello world, if I'm trying to concatenate it, I would be requiring, let's say, s1 only, because s1 is working as a variable, okay, and variables values can be changed throughout the program. So here if I'm writing s1 is equal to s1 dot concat, and here I'm writing world. So now if I'm trying to print your s1, okay, so in that case you will be getting the output as hello world. But otherwise guys, you would be otherwise you won't be able to mutate, or you can say modify the string values. Every time you would be requiring a new variable or a new object to hold those values, which will be increasing the amount of the memory, okay, to actually hold that updated data. So guys, there are two ways, okay, in which you can create your strings. One is using the string literals, that is, let's say if I have created the string s1 is equal to hello, okay, this is one way of creating your strings. Here what is happening guys, I will be creating this hello inside the heap. We are having a string pool, okay, and in this pool you will be storing this hello, okay. Now if I am having one more string s2, okay, the variable s2 is there, which is also pointing to hello. Now guys, in your stacks the reference variables will be created, s1 and s2, both are going to point this hello, okay. So this will create a kind of a performance overhead also, because every time whenever you are trying to assign the string to a variable, the compiler is going to check it into the string pool. If that string is already existing inside the string pool, no new object, no new string will be created. Here guys, strings are always being considered as the classes in Java, so no new object hello will be created in that case, okay. Rather the reference to that hello is going to be created. So now guys, if I am going to print s1 is equal to s2, very frequently asked question from the interview point of views as well. So guys, here s1 equal to, here equal to is used for comparisons of the references. Okay, here we are trying to compare the memory locations. So yes, your equal to or equal to operator will be giving you the output as true, since both of them are pointing to the same memory location. So guys, in case if you want to check for the content equality, so we will be comparing those contents with the help of equals or your equals ignore case function. But for the time being, this s1 equal to s2 is just giving you the memory references or the comparisons of the memory locations, if they are pointing to the same memory location or not. Now guys, the other way of creating the string is with the help of the new keyword. Okay, let's say if I am creating string s1 is equal to new string, and I am giving the value of that string here inside the constructor. Okay, and here if I am again creating s2, okay, using the new keyword. Now guys, if I am trying to print if your s1 is equal to s2, in this case you will be getting the output as false, because now these two objects are going to be created and objects are being stored in the heaps. Okay, so you will be having s1 here and s2 also here. So two different memory locations will be created and both of them will be having their own copies of hello string literal. Okay everyone, so there are three main ways in which we can compare the strings. First one we have already seen using the equal to operators, which is going to compare the memory locations of the two strings. Okay, so let's say if I am having string s1 is equal to hello, string s2 is equal to, again I am creating it with the string literal, and now I am having string s3, okay, where I am creating the new string with the help of the new keyword. Here also I am giving the value as hello only. Okay, so in case guys, if I am trying to compare s1 with s3, okay, it will be resulting into false. Okay, because here we are trying to find the memory location references, whether the memory locations are same or not. But the second method of comparison is with the equals method or your equals ignore case method. Okay, so in case if I am trying to compare s1 dot equals s3, okay, so in this case guys, you will be getting the value as true, because here we are comparing the content of the two strings. We are not comparing the memory locations, rather we are comparing the content here. And the third type of the comparison which is available in string is the lexicographical comparison, which is being done with the method compare to. Okay, so in this case it will be resulting the integral value instead of giving some boolean result. So in case if both the strings are equal, it will be giving you 0. If the first string is less than the second string lexicographically, okay, alphabetically in the priority, then it will be returning you negative. Okay, if it is the first string is greater than your second string, then it will be resulting positive. Okay, +1 you will be getting as an output. So for example, if I am trying to compare apple with banana, so in this case guys, your apple is lexicographically smaller than your banana, since A is coming before B. Okay, so it will be giving me the output as -1. In case if I am trying to compare banana with apple, so you will be getting the value as 1, since banana is lexicographically greater than your second string, which is apple. Okay, in case if I'm trying to compare apple with apple once again, so both the strings are equal, the content is equal, so in those cases we will be getting 0 as an output. Okay, so you can see that we were having the three methods, okay, of comparing the strings. First one is to have your equal to operator, other one is your equals or equals ignore case method, and we are having the third, which is the lexicographical comparison, that means compare to method. So now guys, we will be discussing about several methods which are already available with the built-in string class in Java. So guys, the first method is the length method, which is going to find out the number of characters what are present in the string. So Java will be having 4 characters. So ultimately you will be getting the length as 4. Okay, now guys, to get the character at the specific position, okay, for a single character we can give the index and we can get the character over that index. So for that we are having char at method, and here character at the first position is A. Now if you want to convert any of the string to the lowercase, we are having 2 lowercase method which will be converting it into the lowercase hello. Okay, your uppercase will be converting it into the uppercase hello. Okay, now guys, trim method is there, which is used to remove all the leading and the trailing white spaces, tabs, okay, then your new line characters. So for removing all these things we are having trim. So ultimately your output will be Java without any space in the starting or in the ending. Now guys, your substring in Java, substring always, like, it is having the 2 forms. Okay, one is you can give only the starting index and it will be going till the end from the starting index what you have given. Otherwise you can give the starting index as well as the ending index. Okay, so here starting index is 1, which will be A. Okay, and ending index is 3. It is always taking ending index minus 1, so it will be going till 2. So 2 is V. So AV is going to be printed as a string, substring here. Okay, now we can check whether this particular substring is being, you can see the characters as well as the strings or the substring is being contained in your original string or not. Okay, so it will be yielding the value as true or false. So it will be giving me the value as true since AV is contained inside Java. Now guys, here I am having one string like Java, Python, C++ I have written there, and we can split that string according to the demarkers. Okay, like for example here I am splitting the strings with the help of those commas. You can have the semicolons between or you can have the spaces in between. Okay, so here guys, I have collected all the strings one by one into the strings array, which is words, and ultimately using the for each loop or your enhance for loops, okay, we are iterating over these words, okay, what I have collected here in the array, and I'm printing each and every word one by one. Okay, so Java, Python and C++, you will be getting that separately. So now guys, if I'll run this code for you, you'll see the output is same. Java, Python, C++, you have got it separately. Length was 4, then char at 1 is A, then lowercase and uppercase hellos are there. Then we are having trim function where it is removing all the leading and the trailing spaces, I'm sorry. And AV is the, you'll say the substring what is being contained in Java. Okay, now I want to check whether this AV is contained in Java. It is giving me the value as true. So guys, this was about the string class in Java. So I guess everything is clear to you, and in case of any doubts, you can come up with the doubts in the comments block. Please like, share and subscribe for more related videos. Thank you so much.